Greetings of the day, my dear students. As uh, your online studies are going to be started, and this time I can say it's not favorable as a pandemic disease named Corona is spreading worldwide, and first time in the history that CBSE has to postpone the exams, and some exams are cancelled also. And not in India, it happened in various parts of the world. So, generally, class 11th started by 10 or 5th or 6th April. So, it's never too late for you. But the most important part is most of you are having a question in your mind that which stream I have to choose, and this is a very important question. And what are the factors in this that some what we have a prejudice upon our mind that those who are intelligent they opt for science, and those who are weak in studies they go for commerce. But the reality is totally different. First of all, you have to be very much clear about your future goal. It should not be based on that what are the expectations of your parents. Yeah, that matters, but it is equally important what you like. So I always have a thought when I saw Three Idiot, and I have a thought in my mind, a dialogue of Amir Khan, that if Sachin Tendulkar has been not been a cricketer and his father expected him to be a science graduate, that would be his name will be like that only, like a great Sachin Tendulkar, the legend Sachin Tendulkar? I don't think so. Even in the case of Lata Mangeshkar and anything also. So first of all, please make it very clear in your mind that science is a great thing or commerce is a great thing or humanities. All are equally important in their perspective. It totally depends on you. So the confusion comes what to choose. First of various factors in Indian context, same thing happened to me, and whatever in my teaching career I have found to the many of the students I have found the same. First, due to the pressure of the students, friends, parents, it naturally comes most of you want to opt for the science, and that's the most important part is that only that science said either you will be an engineer or a doctor, medical and non-medical. Even the people's we are not aware about what are the career opportunities apart from it. First, I want to share a few things with you. If you are not sure about your interest in the picking of the subjects or stream, please don't choose. Research yourself what you want to. First, you should be very much clear about your aptitude, your interest. Don't pick the subject because your friend is picking the subjects. If you find science stuff, you will have a hard time with it if chosen. If accountancy and economics never caught your interest before, they won't become interesting all of a sudden in the class in 11th and 12th. If remembering facts pertaining to history or political science made you run before, it's going to be the same forward to when you choose for the humanities or the arts. One of the important part is there. So what I want to say to you today, I'll go to the next video also, and I will share the link also. Then I will tell you What are the career opportunities you have when you go through the science stream, commerce stream, or humanities and the arts? I'll tell you about it. There are a lot of career opportunities are there. If you will see the things, if you are having such a powerful search engine, go through it. What are the career opportunities they have in their life? It's very important. Today, we have thought to start our online classes for 11th class, and this is the most important phase of your life where you have to choose the first step of your career: science, commerce, or art and humanities. Though CBSE has replaced this word, that there is, according to CBSE, there is no stream like that. You have to choose the subjects accordingly. But still, the subject should be according to the guidelines of the UGC and the where you want to take the universities admissions. So that is also very important. So my motive is to tell you that what is the most important part today. Choose your career very wisely. I'll tell you about the various aspects of the career, why to choose science, why to choose commerce, why to choose arts and science. That are the various points are there. You have to think that why getting confused. It's easy to say be clear about your aptitude. First of all, it's not like that commerce is the way to go with numbers, economics, business models and data analysis stimulates your interest. These all streams are offered by the CBSE. So various things are there. First, we'll talk about our school, St. Mary Senior Secondary School. We are offering you two streams generally, that is commerce stream and the science stream. But we will discuss about it. Today I want to discuss about the new circular that is showing in the screen. Introduction of Applied Mathematics Code 241 as an academic elective at senior secondary level. Though it was chosen at earlier also, earlier it was counted as a skill subject, now they have been taken as an elective subject. So now why CBSE has introduced this applied mathematics code 241? What CBSE circular says, you are seeing the CBSE circular in the screen up. As the secondary school education prepares students to explore future career options after graduating from the school, mathematics is an important subject which helps students to choose various fields of their choices. Mathematics is widely used in the higher studies in the field of economics, commerce, social science, and many others. But the present curriculum of 041, which are meant for higher study, those who want to go through the mathematics generally. It has been observed that the existing syllabus of mathematics align with science subject but does not align well with commerce or social science subject in university education. So by keeping this in mind, one more elective course in mathematics syllabus will be offered for senior secondary classes with an aim to provide students relevant experiment in mathematics which can be used in the fields other than the physical science. What does it mean? Means those who want to go for science streams, the chemistry, BCom honors, and they want to opt, they don't, and suppose a bio student is there and he don't want to have a hard mathematics, a simple mathematics, so he can go for the applied mathematics. Simply, but yeah, certain guidelines are also there. Yeah, now one mathematics, a simple mathematics, so he can go for the applied mathematics. Simply, but yeah, certain guidelines are also there. Yeah, now one more important part was there. Those who opted basic mathematics in class 10th, they can also choose applied mathematics 241, which is more for commerce students as their elective subject. That is the best part of it. Where it will be help out when you are doing economics part, statistical parts, There it is very helpful when you're going for the higher studies. Other than now, but for the BSc, BA Economics as honors, you have to take 041 as your main subject, elective subject. There is a slight difference is there. In 241, I will share you in the description what is the syllabus, what is the frequently asked questions related to that. So applied mathematics has been applied. Approach of applied mathematics subject will be practical in nature, and the student is expected to learn through practical application of mathematics in different disciplines. In view of introduction of applied mathematics as an academic elective, the students who have passed basic mathematics 241 in class 10th are now allowed to offer the new elective applied mathematics 241 at senior secondary level. So again, those who have chosen basic mathematics in class 10 and they also want to choose this applied mathematics, they also have an option in that. It's not very easy. First of all, you have to think over that. You must have a little bit interest in mathematics, else again it will create a problem for that. But if you are thinking that accountancy is easy or economics is easy, again you are not at the right path. Now, it is once again clear that students who have passed mathematics basic 2 and secondary level are not eligible to opt for mathematics 041 at senior secondary level. Those who have taken basic mathematics, they are not allowed to choose 041 at senior secondary level. That is clear to all of you. And registration time, most of the information after this we will start with the same things in a further video. This is going to be long. I am going to tell you what are the others benefit of choosing mathematics, applied mathematics and zero standard mathematics or 041 mathematics, pure mathematics. But again I am telling you, while you are choosing your stream, you should be while choosing your stream, you should be very much think over it कि हम क्या कर सकते हैं, कैसे कर सकते हैं, ये बहुत important है. I will share afterwards after this link. I'm going to tell you why we have to choose science, whatever is going, and what are the career options you have after science. What are the career options you have after science? What are the career options you have after taking commerce? And what are the career options you have after arts and humanities? And really you will be surprised when the data will be disclosed, and the prejudice, or what I can say, the belief that science is a better option than commerce or others will go. All subjects are equally important and equally there. It is on the interest of the people who want to go. Even if you want to see IAS officers, IFS, various places, you will find that they are not having any mathematics in their class 11. So think over it. Don't go for science stream, commerce stream or other stream just because your friend is picking it up, it's looking like that it has a vast scope, or just your parents want to go take this thing. Please see this. You have to check your ability, because you know how capable you are. How capable you are is very, very important in this prospectus. Okay, thank you. Welcome to the new class, and hoping we will talk over it afterwards. I'll talk you what are the career options. I'm going to tell you about why we should take mathematics, or why should not take mathematics. That we will talk about later. So first, my main motive is there. Think while selecting your stream. Might be many are very much clear what stream they have to go. And today's topic was more important and more relevant to tell you why to go for applied mathematics, why the CBSE has come up with applied mathematics, because in a greater prospectus, if you want to apply for the government job, if you see the data, those who have a mathematical brain or those who have taken mathematics till 12th or this one, they have a higher percentage ratio to pass out SSC, banking examinations, CA and various others part. So thus, if CBSE has brought out the applied mathematics, which is more convenient for the commerce students, and even for even science students can also take it, but my suggestion is you should go for pure mathematics, because if you most of the science students go for higher studies as a physical science, BSc or honors, they all required mathematics, pure mathematics, that is 041 code. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day, and we'll start with the other things, syllabus and everything will be shared. Thank you. God bless you all.